Guys, it's been raining for days here. I mean, just raining. So what I'm doing, I'm out here trying to get everything dried up and trying to get my patio a little cleaned up. I'm taking my vacuum cleaner here and trying to clean my chairs to get them all clean. Then I'm gonna take you over to the other area and show you what I'm trying to do over there. But as I said, it's been raining for days and it's been very hard to do any outdoor work. Also, I purchased these lights here from Amazon, and they are umbrella lights, so I'm gonna attach them to my umbrella and see how they turn out. It's about 15 strings, and you attach them to the umbrella, and at night they light up. They are solar, which makes it really great for me because you don't have to turn them on and off. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get the chairs all vacuumed and cleaned, and then I'm gonna get these solar lights attached. Then we'll go over to the other side and try to get some work done on it. I got to take the cover off of each one of them. Then I'm just gonna take my vacuum cleaner and clean them. Okay guys, so over here you can see this is all my new furniture that I have not shown you yet. I've had to keep it wrapped because, as I said, the weather is it's rain every day, rain, rain, rain. So what I'm trying to do now is get out here, and I'm gonna clean up around it, but I'm gonna have to go back and put it back under the covers. Now, it did come with some beautiful covers on it, but I also added this big black one to double protect it. But it did come with these beautiful brown tan covers. Each piece of it has those covers on it, and they are beautiful covers, but I still wanted to double protect the furniture. So what I've done, I've put the black tarp over it to make sure that it stays protected. Also, I've already went over here and hung my drapes. I'm gonna do the tie backs. I put my new top on my pergola. As you can see, I've already put the new top on. I've hung my chandelier. So this area really has to be cleaned up a whole bunch simply because of all the rain. The rain has just been terrible. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here today. I'm gonna be cleaning it all up on, see, on March the 17th. No, yeah, on March the 17th, we will be doing the outdoor living series. And when we do that series, what I will be doing, I will be coming back and revealing this whole area to you with the new furniture. And I will give you a day view and a night view. But right now, as I said, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take all of this extra cover that I have on it off and let the covers that come with it dry out, because as I said, it's been raining every day. So I'm gonna clean my floors, and you can see over here there's another chair that sits over here, and I have to take that cover off and clean all of this up. And what it looks like. Now this is outdoor furniture. As I told you, I wanted one that was a poster, and this is the arm to one of the chairs. And as you can see, it's a poster, but it's 100% waterproof, and it's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something to match the chairs up there on my dining area. I wanted to bring that same upholster look here in my living area. So this is what the furniture looks like. It is very, very beautiful, and it is very waterproof. And as I said, it came with these beautiful covers, which I love, but I took and put another cover on it just to make sure it all stayed protected. Okay, even though it's here under the pergola, I still want it to double protect it. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're cleaning this place up. And on more, I want to thank you all for joining me today. I'm gonna close now as I get this mess cleaned up, and I will be coming back on May the 17th at 7 p.m. It's going to be called Living the Outdoor Life, hosted by myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So you all make sure you come back for that. If you would, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And this is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.